Hey yo, is this on? Wow, this is actually on. Hello. I'm just gonna go to my channel and check if my shit is working or not. Bro, why is this a video? Oh, yeah, I think we are working. I'm gonna view bot myself. Um, yes, okay, let's go. Who the fuck trying to know their mama? POV, you're editing an IPL fan edit. That's AI, bro. Shut the fuck up. Alright, let me just go here and let me just put on some music. I think the music that we all need to go for is this Ben Bonk, Ben Bonk, Ben Bonk. You know what I'm going for, and I'm going to find it. I think I'm not going to find it actually. How the fuck? Fuck off. Um, Streaming my devvlog for my latest pro, my devvlogs for my latest project for the whole hackathon. Poggers, here's the link, not doing it on Twitch because I want automatic YouTube video poggers. And then once you're done with this, let's close this. Photo. Bro, why don't I have any profile picture? I see a profile picture of me. Yo, that's me. Let's go. Alright boys, so welcome. This is actually the first time we are doing anything right here. On screen, on camera, warning. The screen conflict rate is lower than my video and it's already going wrong. My bitrate might be low. But it's good. You know what? We will go off good, to be honest. Good is good. Oh, my internet is going bad actually. But do not dox me. Alright, boys. So, the reason I am doing this on YouTube is because I have to have videos. So let's just jump into this, bro. Like, who am I even talking to? So, bold hackathon. Bold hackathon. This is what we are aiming for right here. Right? Let's speed up the rules. Let's do this and let's see. Already registered. Welcome to the world largest hackathon. I haven't joined the Discord. Let me join the Discord and let's see if any events do happen near me. Let's just log in. Restore, accept, invite. Wow. My project, it does seem kind of good. I will explain what my project is. It's very basic. It's nothing complex at all. Um, I'm pretty sure it already has been done before, but this project is gonna be more of me learning stuff, and I'm gonna be trying my best to I'm gonna be trying my best that it is shown more, Uh, where are you building from? What's your story? What's your story doing? If you haven't already, you can reach out to Short by Emmy, led by Greg.
What am I doing? Tell me how I'm supposed to get by again. Are we getting into it?
What the fuck is this?
I think I might have lost all the way.
Yeah. 2 days late, but doesn't matter. The AI gold rush.
AI systems may be more intelligent than we know, and there's a chance the machines could take over.
I'd give humanity a 30% chance.
You can be part of and earn your share of the $1 million prize pool. Register, build something cool, document your journey, and millions of people.
Document my journey. I will show me to do that. People talking over here and shit. The style is how front end is. It's how front end colored. I am doing this alone. I will be going against hacker houses. But that's fine to be honest. Just yeah, submit. I don't really care. For screen design, it's anyone have get help everyone happy now looking forward. What's everyone building? Help everyone happy building everyone. Hi everyone, I'm Yu San. I'm from Taiwan, not with NYC. I'm pretty looking for I'm exploring new AI tools. Hello guys from Dynamic and AI Tutor for everyone. Looking forward to having connections with you all. Yeah. So I'll be doing a day by day documentation of my journey, like and also for some reason my bold isn't working. So this shit might have just ended before it even started. But who cares? Done. Uh, what is this? Why didn't you? I'm pretty sure I did press this login. Continue with Google. I should not be. You know what? I will just cut this. Let me just display capture. Okay. Oh, that is the wrong account. Fuck. Now I can just. Oh shit! Now it's gonna give me that error that I. Oh, it didn't. Mm, continue, bro. Just do whatever you want to do, bro. Uh, let's see. And any bold events happening near me? Nothing happening, to be honest. I did miss an event, I remember. Upcoming domain expertise with entry, product launch training, so what is API, build a conversational video agents with Tavers and Bowl. A conversational agent is good. A conversational agent is good, 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 good. Uh, this is some good stuff. This is some good stuff. Let me put back my screen. Oh, that is not what I wanted to do right here. All right. So right now we're just reading what's happening. This is your launchpad, this is your custom, this is your funding round, this is your moment. Okay, vibe coders and shit. This isn't shit. Um, okay. So there are three things that I have to make sure with this. You know, we have to make sure when doing this, right? Brazil, China. Why is Brazil excluded, bro? Republic of Iran, Islamic Republic of Democratic People's Republic of Quebec, Russia. Hmm. I'm not going for 77,000 participants. Okay. I'm not going for a teammate. The reason being, I just trust myself for now. Soon enough, if I do find a teammate, sure, why not, right? Um, so what is our project gonna be? Give me a second. All right. So let me research a little bit, right? Because is it like is this it, right? Uh, is there like more rules to this, or is there anything that is happening? Um, Free payment collection and see more. The builder pack. Yes, I know what the builder pack is. Is there like where are the rules? I'm looking for like the rules and shit. Okay, we don't need you. We don't need you. That was just for the thumbnail. Let me just look here. Uh, any rules? What is management activity perfect the N8N import script, the script entire flow for you? I do not know. So the thing is that what can we build? What can we do? What is like is this question is more like what the fuck? Is that his butt? Oh my god, that is his butt. What the fuck? Uh, the question is very fucking simple. If I use this product, are people gonna earn money off it? Right? Now the thing is, right, I'm changing my plan. Right? I'm instead of targeting consumers, I'll be targeting a very different part of the market. A very oh fuck off. Well, this recording is not going. Um, wow, I think I just get my hack shit. Deadline is 2:30 a.m. Okay, so here's what my app is gonna be, right? In a very ideal world, it is more of a river. It is not directly what I'm saying, but it's more like a riverside clone, basically. Now, saying that puts me in legal trouble, but because it is not a riverside clone. It is much very similar to the concept of it. You know, it's like a competitor, but with it's like a competitor, but with more features. Now, what dominating features am I gonna have in here? Right? So, what is my project? That's the main question. I do not know. Right? The reason, okay, so let me tell you, the reason is mainly I want to learn. I'm still a starting developer, and I know for a fact that it is very much impossible for me to win this competition. But it isn't hard to try and give a best shot. You know, there are many turns where miracles have been there for me, and I will always put my name in the hat, right? So the reason I'm doing a Riverside clone is because there's a YouTuber called Harkeer Singh whose course I've taken, and in one of his videos, he was like, you know what, do this project, you will get to learn a lot. So I'm doing this project so I can learn a lot. I'm pretty much fucked, you know. I'm unemployed right now, so that's not a good place to be in, but yeah. So a Riverside clone, but here's the main thing. This is just the main thing. What my product entails is a bidding software. Right, it's an ad bidding software basically. That's it. Right, it's an ad bidding software ad bidding software where you can bid on podcasts. Simple as that. Podcasts are something very special, right? And what I want to add is an extra feature on this where you can how do you like is there no way? Yeah, I think yeah. It reminds me of fucking Photoshop, bro. Yeah, this where you can bid to advertise your products basically. This is what my project is. It's very simple, nothing much complex. This is the main feature is going to be, and how this is going to be. There will be two options, but you will. This needs to be on the blockchain because I am also an aspiring Web3 developer. The reason I'm going to Web3 is just because of the money aspect that I see. But honestly, I don't think Web3 is going to survive. I think AI is the future. But who cares, to be honest? I feel like, like if your skills are good, you will go anywhere. Maybe that's not the case. Who fucking knows? But yeah, this is an AI. It's an ad bidding software where, as a company, you will be able to place bids on a podcast, basically. And this is the thing is right. This will be much more approachable for lower grade companies. It's a much more approachable approach. You don't need a third party. You would actually come in here. You would actually give your product. You will pitch for an ad, and you're able to sponsor that video. For example, let's suppose, and this is not only for like podcasts. If extendable, this will also be for be for that for YouTube videos maybe, for for YouTube videos. For example, and these will be public bids. So basically, this is a sponsorship bidding software, and the future or technicalities can also there are many features. Let's not talk about them. Let's talk about the main thing is the title, right? Right now, I want it to be a two-word title, like reverse side, river and side. I also want it to be two-word title, something that entails something. It should be named after. I can maybe go for a Hindu aesthetic name, a Hindi aesthetic name, a Mughal aesthetic name, you know, or just something. Normally, I just go for something like Photo Town or Bandit Video, but I don't know. Uh, I'll just put on some music on in the background. Let's go for Brighton. You can never go wrong with Brighton, right? So the thing is, right? Rules. Okay, so the registration period starts on April 16th. I already registered. Judging period start on this. Sponsors Stack Blitz, Dev Post. Individual majority, okay. Guardians of students, okay. Teams, organizations, wow. So the thing is, right, I want this to like already be in the market before it goes live. That is going to be tough, right? Design, production, execution of the hackathon. So, user will subject to license agreement. There are two entry in the hackathon process two and for sponsor therefore you will maintain. Okay. Hold on new or existing access to information having color than you. Okay, if you will receive also means requirement of one additional requirement of. Yeah, we will also be aiming for challenge prizes. So the first thing that before I do go to the Web3 part, the thing is that the reason I'm going to the Web3 part is because I will also be applying for a grant for my project. Uh, Complete and enter all fields before enter submission. What to get? Engineer must build a new application primarily with both each a project. They can be built completely with both new significantly started or built on as in its old direction. Discretion. The publicly deployed version. Yeah. badge that has see guidance here. Okay, this is what I was looking for. These are some things that I need to be like taking care of, you know. Uh, Recognize not everyone of the development are ready to all the core for your idea and the final experience must run with like degree flexibility is allowed. Full knowledge of management and by the means by me. Instruction must begin board new into for use of work with the tools I figure use for development design programming as we go step using other platforms permanent area goals. The final version must be submitting with auto flight built on board drives. Also means any other file it may be okay. So to get an annual domain publish a board new app on the domain. Use the revenue card to acquire subscribers in your mobile board new app or I cannot block. Build an app in Alchemy blockchain. Ooh. Wait, what is this? Wait, there's already blockchain functionalities in here. Bro, why is my shit so laggy? Okay, this is good. We're already aiming for this. Use how to bring, okay, we can do this. Deploy challenge, use Netlify, okay. Use a developer platform is able to bring your wackiest, greatest AI in form of a game. New, yeah, I will be using, whoa. So I will be using GSAP a lot. Use the, public URL, okay, but it's a whole protocol as product, right? So I need to be documenting every one of my process, right? Should be in less than 3 minutes, should be good footage. And more than one submission. Wow. Access must be provided to entrance, bug project, function demo, or a test project. If they're private, you must log in conditions that you must make them available free of charge without any restriction. Okay, yeah, sure. It will be free of charge. And make users showing the text description, everything provided in the submission. Wow, okay. Yeah, I will be going for web. Everything's gonna be English. I'm an individual. Yeah. What is this? Eligible submissions will be evaluated by panel judges. Judges may be employees or sponsored third parties, hackathon machines. Stage 1. The first stage will determine where ideas will be based on viability. If the project reasonably fits the theme and uses the board review. All submissions will start will be based on the equally valid criteria. Potential according to the idea design. Now I don't really care about the price. Right, the price. What I do to like go for, yeah, so nothing too complex. The only problem is going to be the fact that we will be going for that code. We'll be using code, but that's fine. Okay, the badge is no problem. Alright, so that's it for the rules, I guess. There's a fucking ant on my screen, bro. Is it stuck? I just fell down, bro. Alright, yes, so I really haven't tried Bolt. Let me see what Bolt is. I am preparing for a hackathon in which I will have Tell me what you are. How can I best effectively use you to my advantage? Like, I am a full stack web developer. What functionalities will you provide? How different are you from my current IDE? Let's see. Yes, I'll be an outline. How can it be scaffolding? All right. Redo working. I can use architecture approaches. Bitch, that's not what I'm asking though. Like, uh, what I want to ask, right, is the fact that hey, like, for example, like I work differently. Um, Taswell is good. No, not Taswell to be honest. Uh, yeah, let's go for this. This is some good ass music. Uh, all right. So this is it. Let me look at my. I've already taken a look at my development kit, so that's fine. All right. Yeah. So we have to use this. So what I'm researching on is this Riverside. This is I want to get a competitor to this. Right. I want to create a competitor to this podcast. Riverside FM. This is what I'm gonna go for. Oh fuck you. Riverside FM. This is what I want to go for. This is the product that I'll be targeting at. And my product, the thing is, right, this is just a very baseline of the product that I want to make. Like my main product is the fact that you're able to bid on shit, right? So that is what my thing is going to be. Bro, what? Whoa. Okay, I have some questions. First, I normally design in turbo repo, meaning I can have my back end, my front end in the same place. Will you be able to do that? Oh, I get the IDE. I understand the IDE a little bit. Like this is just an IDE to be honest. Second, I might use GSAP animations in the future. Will you be able to handle that? Now let's switch over to Plot. Right. Now the thing is simple, right? I'm not gonna pretend to not use AI. Like I'm gonna be upfront about it. Bold Hackathon. There's nothing on here. Like even this was for some like I'm studying GSAP, so I was like, like the GSAP thing that I did, I was like, is this industry standard or not? Right. Okay. Yes, I can have you manage maintain 7 packages for 10. Okay, got you. So it can do whatever it says it does. I don't know, like why, like I don't blame the page though. But yeah, I see the vision. So this The Riverside FM, you know, the Riverside FM is just like a very basic thing. It's just a baby, right? I want to like introduce a whole as you know something like I want to introduce like this feature where you'll be able to bid on videos, where sponsors will be able to bid on videos. That is what I'm gonna go for. That is my idea, and I feel like creating videos. The thing is, these videos are assets. These are big assets. People own millions of them. Like people do not realize the amount of YouTube videos. Like go to YouTube. Like there's so many fucking YouTube videos I know is out of this world. People can be having 3,000. Like there are 8 billion people in this world. You don't understand. The 8 billion people, almost 2 billion or 3 billion are online right now. And you understand, a million to a billion is a very big number. So let's capitalize on that. Let's make this a whole fucking trade war, a bidding shit. You know, invest into people, a platform where you can, where as a kid you can get invested into. So this is what my idea is, right? Here's the project idea. It's it's basically a podcast application, much like Riverside, but with a huge twist. Uh, People can bid on ads. People can bid on placing their ads or pitching whatever they want to before the podcast or when the podcast is released. Uh, so the thing is like I I am still not clear about when will they pitch the ads part. Maybe before a video is released, maybe during a live or release, or maybe after it's released. After it's released doesn't make sense since I won't be posting the videos. I guess I will be more like helping make videos and stuff if that's how Riverside works. My main goal is to my mango is about to blow up and act like I don't know about it. That is so fucking true though, like what he said though. Like act nonchalant, bro. Make this bidding thing a success. I will also, so I will incorporate both the blockchains, right? And maybe you can invest in a video uh, and get a token from it. I might be using Solana or Algorand for this. Who knows? The thing is, I like an ecosystem where this huge market for video making can be made more profitable and transparent to the buyers. Let me see here. No mapping here. Animated weight. Ooh, the animated weights is good. How to use design specializing the steel pro, right? I like this. Uh, the thing is, right, investing in a video isn't possible. Investing in video is tough. Yeah, you know what? We can do this. Viewers can see the bidding happen. It gets engagement, transparency. For example, maybe a UFC fight is happening and people are bidding on it live. Like now, that is some good shit. Bidding after content is ready, but before release. I don't like this. Advertisers should not be able to see it. But yes, tokenization models. We can get some tokens out, and this can be used for investing. Maybe like a certain token. If this video gets a number of views, you get not a number of tokens, but the value of the token increases. Maybe if that token decreases. Uh, I'm going for multi-chain approach. I'm going to be going for the thing is I will also be applying for Solana grant, right? I normally use VS Code as my IDE. What if tomorrow I might want to use VS Code to better integrate some of my features? Will that be possible? Maybe through GitHub. I think that is pretty obvious. All right. So see the vision, right? Uh, yeah. So this is what I'm aiming for, right? Now this stuff right here, this stuff right here, it can be maybe some Solana shit actually, you know, and now that will be absolute fucking poggers. Should not be swearing, bro. You get what I mean. Let me go for 6 actually. Should not be wasting my time doing this. It's 2:30 a.m. Right. The main point is you get the point, right? We're going to be using blockchains to for the stuff. All right. So how am I going to tackle this? So that's the main thing, right? So daily updates are a thing. Daily I will be updating the progress. But for now, there's going to be no progress. For now, the progress is just going to be by 4th, I should have a basic skeleton of the project ready, right? I'll be running about, for example, I'm going to be using Turbo Repo. Wait, I'm using Netlify. Isn't Netlify by Vercel? Uh, Netlify. No, Netlify and Vercel are the same thing. Fuck. Well, we'll see. Right. Turbo repos are not bad. We can be using them. Turbo repo. The thing with Turbo repo is that they need to deploy it on our. We can also be going for multi-wo approach where I can use different wo. Who knows? Alright, so this is my I think I'm going for live auction during recording, you know. A live podcast will be going on and you will be able to, pitch. Live podcast is doesn't seem like a bad idea at all. Um, and I think one of the main things that I want to actually go for too is well, the thing is right. Let's suppose I do post this video on my shit on my website. It wouldn't matter. It wouldn't matter. The reason is simple, right? All right. Uh, so here's what I am thinking. I don't think it matters that an advertiser will get to see a video first, right? Because most of the people, like 90%, wouldn't care if they got to see the video first or not. Simple as that. Maybe there will be a 1 hour window where people get to bid for ads on the video, then the video gets posted, and live auctioning will also be an option. Somehow, I will have to make this specific feature scalable such that it adapts. It's the same for both live and the uh, pre-posting of the video. Now the thing is, right, the thing about ads, the thing about it's going to be different from the live option. It's going to be different for that option. For the other option, maybe I don't know what I'm talking about, but you get the point. Like this is my project basically. Uh, yeah, let's go for this. So what's the action plan? Now here's the action plan, right? Um, Today is first. No, today is third, right? That gives me 27 days for this, which is not nearly enough. So what I plan to do in the next 5 days is first of all learn Rust and start making Anchor. Basically, I won't be able to learn Rust, but I think I will be able to. I will be able to learn Anchor. Right, make basic. I think this is very achievable. Second is to complete the DevOps course. I still remember like from my previous hackathon. What really killed me was the deploying part. I really had to like ChatGPT did save me at the end. I cannot rely on ChatGPT all the time. Is this? This. Let's go to no, not Web3, but DevOps. Yes, I will have to do. I feel like I need to learn Docker at least. So this might take a whole last day, right? Yeah, this deploying a mono repo. So till week 27, I think I need to push hard. Or for Bolt? Wow. Kubernetes. I'm not gonna be using Kubernetes to be honest. but I'm gonna be pushing for like this. So in these 5 days, that is till 8th, let me do Docker. Let me really do Docker. Let me at least deploy VPSs. The third thing is until this date, I want to do at least 4 front-end projects, right, with GSAP. This is very tough. It took me a whole day to complete one of them. 1 out of 4 has already been completed. Like, but saying it's not enough. I want the thing is like this is just for learning purposes. And of course, now for the main part. In these 5 days, I somehow also have to complete. There is an 18-hour video which I have to code along. Now, given the fact that if for each hour I code with with each hour of the video, that means it will take me 36 hours. So in these 5 days, that is 5 into 24, that is 120, right? 36 hours. So let's remove 10 hours of sleep. So 10 into 550, that leaves me 70 hours. 70 minus 36 leaves me what? 34. In 34 hours, somehow I need to complete videos. How many videos? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 videos. 8 into 2, that's 16 hours worth of videos, right? 16 hours worth of videos. Uh, so that's 16 hours worth of videos. Given the file, we also be the thing is there's not much to code along, but we can take this as to be like at least 30 hours. We already ran out of time. Wow, 20 hours to do this. Uh, my 4 front-end projects are gonna take time, and my rest project is gonna take time. Yeah, so we're already running out of time. Wow. Um, yeah, you haven't even started the project yet, and we're already running out of time. Each day, I will be able to give at least 12 hours. So 12 into 5 is equal to 60. This is what we are working with. Now I won't be able to give 12 hours too. But we'll see. So tomorrow, if I have to achieve this, right? Tomorrow, that is today actually, I will somehow need to complete. You know what? I think I'm gonna start with the shorter goals. I'm gonna complete at least 4 hours. That is 2 lectures, not 2 lectures. I'm gonna 4 lectures. I'm gonna complete my Rust, and I'm gonna complete half a front-end project, and I'm gonna do 2 hours. I think this is impossible, to be honest. Two lectures, 2 lectures, 1.5 lectures, half of a front end, and this. So this is my thing for tomorrow. Like, so these are going to be my objectives for tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. Because the thing is that for the dev vlog, I need to learn first. In order to learn, I need to build something. Nonetheless, I will start building the front end in front of you. We build the classic front ends. You know, it's all will be built on VS Code for now, and we'll see how to go on from the project from there. And let's see how this goes. Actually, we'll be using codes. We'll be using so many things. This is going to be a huge learning process, and I'm glad that I'm taking part in this. This was the first devlog. We just discussed the idea and see where we will go from here. I'll be streaming early tomorrow, and I'm going to be committing to this. Thank you.